Alright, I just wanted to make a quick video on why your boxes may not be appearing here. So as you can see, as we're picking the boxes and we're placing them to the pallet, they appear on the pallet, but they'll disappear for a split second. It's kind of hard to see because right now my pallet is going inside the pallet. I got to adjust that still, but essentially, essentially,
Got it. So the
essentially
boxes
what
are
has to
there.
happen is that the pallet has to be placed. So, being that um, being that this is Pallet Pro and all these things are tied together, you can't just have a random pallet sitting down here. The robot actually has to go and pick a pallet from here, set it down on the ground, and if you have a slip sheet, it has to go over, grab a slip sheet, and then place the slip sheet on before it starts to place the boxes. Else, what'll happen is it'll continue to run like it is right now, but the issue is it won't you won't visually see any of the boxes be placed. So that might be one of the reasons why your boxes are not placing. If you're just used to using like handling tool or something like that, um, and used to doing like some simple objects, you may not know that all these cell things are tied together in the unit loads. So like this unit load that's here, this pallet, the in feed, the pallet dispenser, these things are all tied together in the background. And again, for the simulation to work out right, the robot has to actually go through the cycles as if it's a in production. Now there might be some workarounds around that. I'm not aware of those workarounds. Maybe if we just didn't have a pallet dispenser right here, which that's the pallet dispenser right there. If this pallet dispenser wasn't here, then maybe we wouldn't have to go pick a pallet first. But the robot basically auto generates some code, and the simulation automatically generates some stuff in the background that makes it so that um, your boxes are then visible. So that's kind of just an important note for other things inside of here, like how things are so interconnected in Palette Pro and how everything relies on another thing. So like we had an issue with our in-feed boxes with some setup issue there. You might run into a similar issue with something like that as well. So hopefully that helped you get out of a stuck position. And if you have anything that you know that helped somebody get out of the stuck position or help yourself get out of the stuck position, let us know down in the comments below.